Again, it's Priscilla Batzell. I'm in Spring Hill, Florida, Expressionist Fluid Art Studio Gallery. This is a 14 by 14 inch canvas. I have a limited amount of time to do a swipe, but I have actually bloom swipe, but I have an idea of what I want to do pretty quick. I'm going to use an OXO omelet turning flip and fold spatula from Good Grips. I'm going to also hope the dried paint chips on my fingers don't fall into my canvas. So this works pretty well. A layer around the edge to lead the rest of the paint off. I have some paint left from earlier from a transfer, a potential transfer that didn't really happen. I'm going to try not to worry about this. I kind of want to use a spatula. I'm contemplating using a whole bunch of gold, Mayan gold, because I'd like to have a whole bunch of Mayan gold, I guess. And in this case, I'm going to use some Chantilly lace also, because I have noticed the Chantilly lace shows up very distinctly against the white, believe it or not. This is Midnight Shadow. This is my favorite of the moment. This is Rhapsody Rose, which I think I would be better off. Gosh, I just got the impression that I should be using some quinacridone nickel gold, but I'm going to try this Tempting Tulip. The Rhapsody Rose and the Tempting Tulip are both primary elements. The Mayan Gold is a Prizm Pour. Now, if I'm going to use a spatula, and I don't think I am, I think I'm just going to use what I've been using. And that's Amsterdam Black, Amsterdam White, both in Aussie Floetrol. And I'm thinking, do I like the idea of the teal? Oh, I think the purple, the violet boom gel would be great. My top is plugged. Oh, and I'm losing something. Don't ask me what I'm doing, I'm just doing it. I'm going to throw that in the bucket. I've got, like I said, I've got some paint left over from earlier that I may use. Probably needs a little bit more cell activator mixed into it. Grab a barrier. I like that just as it is. Let's give it a little spin and see what happens. I'll at least move the paint out from the center a little bit. And over to one side maybe also. Oh, don't swallow all my colors, please. Sometimes simple colors are the best. Love watching the cells spread out. Don't really want that to go over the side. I am going to do a little scoop and drag. Hopefully very little. I don't want to get too in depth because I really like what I have. I didn't use any quinacridone nickel laser gold. That's kind of amazing. And I wanted to use the Midnight Shadow for a while. Pull up, break the seal. I think I'm done. I think I have to be done. I don't really have a lot of time anyway. But that's pretty cool. I like it. Oh, I didn't put the other paint down. You know what? We're going to do that. Even if it's just around the edge. Because otherwise it's going to get wasted. Or I'll have to wait till tomorrow, which is probably not happening. Come on, stop turning. Sorry about my head. I can feel it hitting the marble on the end of my piece of tape. It keeps my head in check. Just going to use it around the edge, I guess. I don't want to waste it. Where can I put it? I don't know, but I need a spiral, at least right here. Alright, I'll just put the lid back on. Maybe a piece of cling wrap for the overnight. I'm not going to do any more scoop and drags. I just really like what I've got. I didn't say I wasn't going to do any more spirals, did I? Alright. Here goes nothing. In theory, there ought to be enough paint to do what we need to do. Loving those huge black and white cells. I think they have everything to do with that Chantilly lace. So I'm a Colourarte affiliate, and if you give me a thumbs up, I'd appreciate it. But if you shop the Colourarte link, there's a 20% off coupon code. That's magnificent. That's just too much fun. There must be a right way up and a wrong way up. That looks like it needed to go all the way to the edge. It looks like I need another spin, and I don't really want to, but I'm going to do it anyway. I've got 5 minutes to get to dinner. So use my link tree, and you'll find my websites, my Pinterest, my Instagram, my Twitter links, my Facebook group, Expressionist Fluid Art Studio Appreciation Group. Yeah, no, I don't mind that I spun now. It looks great. I love how the blue spread out. That looks beautiful. I love you guys. I'm going to shimmer that at you as best I can. I'm going to try and pick a way up. I like it. I think I like it that way for you guys. It's bizarre. It's cool. Both of those things are okay with me. Love all that gold in there. I don't often get all that gold. And the purple Boon Gel celled up nicely. I will be trying more color combinations using the Midnight Shadow. Let's just go right in there as best I can. Sorry about the ineptitude of my camera manipulation. So what did I not tell you? My email address is a great way to contact me if you're interested in purchasing an artwork or taking a lesson with me at the house in Spring Hill, Florida. On my link tree you'll find, underneath the video you'll find spring clothing. On the link tree you'll find Le Gallerist and Society 6, as well as fineartamericanpixels.com, and you can have my artwork transposed onto anything that they make there. whatever I haven't told you, you'll see in another video. I have 29 lists of 100 videos, and also they're separated by topic and genre, and if you need a link, please just ask me. I'm happy to help you find whatever you need. My community board is a great place to ask me questions. Please ask questions if you'd like to. What am I forgetting? Thank you. Thank you so much for your kind words and your comments. Keep my morale boosted. Thank you for the donations through PayPal. The icon is on the bottom right-hand corner of my YouTube channel banner, and that helps keep me in canvases and Floetrol and GAC 800 and things other than, well, everything, basically. Thank you for being a member. If you're considering being a member, just know it's really important for me to have membership. It helps, really, really helps a lot. If I have a little gap, I see that, I'm going to put some white paint in there. I've got some paint over here I can gather with my little acetate tools. I want to tell you guys I love you again, and you inspire the heck out of me. And don't forget, my Amazon link has my 2 books on it, Because I Can and Unlimited Possibilities. And if you shop there, it's at no extra cost to you, and it helps me out a lot eventually, someday. In any case, check out Pixel Paint Designs. There's a 10% off coupon code. You can get your Australian Floetrol, your Boom Gel, your Pebeo paints, and some other things there. But the 20% off Colourarte coupon code will lead you to nirvana of colors. So check that out, and I hope to see you again soon. Bye for now. I post at 10:15 a.m. Eastern Standard Time most days, and I love you much. Bye for now. Priscilla out.